Guys, we're back at it again today for another day in Tokyo. We're gonna head to Mount Fuji. You know, crisp, clean, what is it, bi-colored fit. So yes, guys, we're heading to Mount Fuji today. I have no idea how we're getting there specifically, but I know we gotta activate our JR passes, which is a rail pass that you use in Japan. We bought the 7-day one, so it's about $200, and it's so much cheaper than like paying for long distances, because even getting to Kyoto is $200, which is a one-way ride. So this way with 7-day pass, 7 days, you can use it anywhere for the majority of the train stations in Japan. So we have to pick it up first because we have a voucher for it. You could buy it a month in advance, which we did, but it doesn't start until the day that you choose to activate it. For going a long distance in Japan, you definitely need. So 7 days starting now because we're heading to Kyoto in like 2 days. So guys, Mount Fuji is like a 2.5 hour train ride, and we gotta transfer to 2 different trains. I know that specifically. And never been there, never seen it. You guys about to see some action. Let's go. I love walking this path every single day. It feels so peaceful, the trees and the environment. Everyone's always riding like their bikes and stuff, and it's just such a cute little vibe. So we're at the Ryoku station. You can take the elevator straight down. Watch yourself. Shake that ass. Show me what you're working with. And you know, plays a pimp. Right now it's a place to be. Show me what you're working with. Alright, elevator's coming. You know, it's a very conservative place here in Japan. As you guys know, when we get into the train station, we have to put our mask on because everyone usually wears them. But first, I'm gonna buy the tickets. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So you get to the machine, and it's already in English. You gotta buy tickets. We're going to Shibuya, and it'll come up on the side. Where are we going, to Shibuya?
Shinjuku.
Shinjuku?
Yeah.
Let me see. I think you're right. I gotta look at my GPS, guys. I think it is Shinjuku. Get to the screen, and then we'll switch to 2 people. And then you do the payment. You gotta do coins, bills, or card. And we have a ton of coins. We're gonna try to use them up. You took too long. Alright, so if you take too long at the machines, they'll just cancel the whole thing. You gotta start over. Change finally. I was about to throw the coin out. Time to put the mask on. Mask on. Mask on. Chasing checks, never chasing. So when commuting by train in Japan, it's very important that you keep your ticket after you purchase it. Do not lose that ticket because you need the ticket once you get off at your stop. Like New York, you would have turnstiles you just go through. In Japan, you have to put the ticket through in order to exit, just like when you enter. And there are always police officers right there to assist you whenever you need them, and they monitor everything. So guys, I definitely left the voucher for us to get our JR passes that day, and we had to pay for each train ride along the way. It was so annoying, but things happen. We made it to the train with time to spare for us to sit down and find our seats, because they give us assigned seats for this train. This is a JR line express. It's gonna take 45 minutes for us to get to one station, then we gotta get tickets to the next one. Alright, let's go. Car 7. Touch open. Here's we made it. The train leaves at 1:30. 10 minutes to spare. We made it on the train and it has a tray. Oh my god, it's like the airport. This is the shrimp one, guys. Look at the shrimp inside. How does it taste?
Oh, it tastes like actual shrimp in there, yo. It's actually interesting. Not bad. Not bad. Wanna try it?
We opted for the non-reserved seats this time in car 3. Hey guys, so we just got here. I have to figure out how we're gonna do this hike. I was planning on following everyone, but that's not gonna happen. We have to do this path. And it's gonna be fun. Absolutely. 20 minutes in my Jordans. Let's see how this is gonna go. My battery's dying on the only phone that we have for GPS. So, time to make some screenshots. Whenever you're traveling and say, of course, use portable chargers, both of them are dead. Like something's glitchy with the charging cord that we have. So I'm just relying on the battery power I have now. Try to keep your phone on airplane mode as much as possible. Screenshot all the map locations that you're going to, so you know what trains that you're taking, you know what stops you're gonna get off at, and you just save the battery at all costs. Stairs that we have to climb up, and still you guys. Guys, we're going up. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We made it. It's like we have more steps to climb, evidently. I feel this hike, but it's good. I haven't been to the gym in a few months, and I love to double step. So it's helping me reach my Stairmaster goal. This isn't really a long hike, but it is a lot of stairs. So I recommend anybody with any heart, respiratory, or joint mobility issues to please take caution, wear proper footwear, and make sure you're really hydrated during this trip. Look where we are. Reality, all those people. Guys, we made it. The hike was no joke, but it was short and it was nice. Look at the beauty. So the thing with Mount Fuji, the visibility varies with the season and the weather and also the time of day. It is better to go early mornings or late afternoon when the air is cooler and less hazy, because you have situations like cloud cover that happens. So in this case, we couldn't really see Mount Fuji, but they said to wait 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So we just waited and waited, and it ended up becoming way visible at each time. So I was super excited to reach the point where I could finally see it. And if we waited a little longer, we would have seen the whole mountain, but we had to catch the last train. So I didn't stay too long. But the amount that we did see, the statistic is so unlikely. So I was just happy to even have that. Because people take this trip and don't even see it at all. So guys, Mount Fuji was eventful because the clouds cleared up and we really got to see the mountain for what it was. It was so pretty. We made like friends and it was like exciting waiting for the moment. We're like 10 more minutes and it was like still clouds. 10 more minutes. It's clearing. So it was a nice, pleasant experience. Japan, I love you. You have my heart for life. Guys, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have more Japan content, so see you soon.